Okay, so the topic is divorce is giving up on the relationship
Yes, let's go.
versus divorce is okay. Obviously, not when abuse is involved. So that's understood.
Yeah.
Okay. This is everything. People are treating each other like
With respect
with basic human beings.
and romance.
But if you get divorced, and yeah, but maybe romance is not there.
Okay, okay.
So are you just being a little whiny person?
A whiny
and-
bitch.
Yeah. Shrija, thank
Plus
you
one for nuance. Plus one for
being my
nuance.
B translator. Yes.
This was the one
Of
thing.
course.
Nuance is a problem.
Yes.
Great nuance,
1
brother.
point for Shrija.
Whiny bitch. Nice.
Yes. Anytime I have to say the B word, I will just
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
look at
I'll
it.
say it.
Thank you for saying it.
Why does she get to say it?
Yeah.
I will say F word also if you want. I have other words also I can say.
Oh, okay. Shrija, get angry a little after 5 minutes. Okay. Okay. So, which team wants to take the incredible thing of you're just whiny, that's why you're weak, you gave up, that's why you got divorced, versus divorce is okay. Any reason to get divorced is fine.
Divorce is not okay. Yeah.
There was no.
I think the married people should choose, no? First, which team you all want to be in?
Divorce is
Let's
not
put
okay.
them on the spot. Why should
Let's
we
do it.
suffer, dude?
Let's make the relationship
Which is fair.
interesting.
Some jokes were made about can't say,
Yeah.
can't talk and
Yeah,
all
yeah,
in
correct.
marriage.
Baby, so this show is completely made up, and it's just for fun.
Yeah.
It's not real, but I think it's okay.
So,
Yes.
sort of your.
Can we do a retake and you say, I think it's awesome? Just a little more effect.
I want to get back inside my house tonight after Ray's show.
That's true. So, you think it's okay, Shamik?
Yeah, of course. I mean, as a 3 times divorced person, I'm totally fine with it. In fact, I encourage it. I think not divorcing is a lack of imagination, honestly. I mean,
I think for Shamik, divorce is okay, marriage is not okay.
yeah. That's
Bloody
true.
bachelor.
That is true. I'm ahead of my. That's called being ahead of your times. I'm ahead of my times, actually. I'm moved past marriage, straight to divorce.
You're more excited about divorce than
That's
marriage.
right. Mine, it's like the movie Tenet, but it's a rom-com.
I think that's a very funny
That's brilliant, actually.
thing. Yeah, because Tenet
if
is
I say so myself.
it's opposite.
And in divorce also, you have to wear that oxygen mask at some point because you need to breathe, you know. No one watched that movie. I get it. It's
I'm so
confusing.
sorry, Shamik.
Yeah.
This is killing. You can see I'm
Thank
crying.
you so much.
That movie is so bad, but it's a very bad movie.
Yeah.
But this is great for Tenet.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
If there was a special about Tenet jokes, you would be the closing
Thank
end.
you. Thank
Yeah.
you so much.
Shamik, I'll give you one more
Thank
point
you.
for the
Oh,
Tenet joke
thank you so
that
much.
nobody appreciated.
Let's end the show. I'm leading right now.
अरे शमिक ने जोक मारा क्या?
Wow.
मेरे को मालूम
Unbelievable.
नहीं पड़ा.
Wow. Aman must be having a great time.
Oh, hey, okay. I told clearly in last 7 episodes,
He
no
said
personal
no
attack.
subtleties, okay?
Yeah, but no personal attack.
I've never seen someone so into fighting who's married to a guy named Peace. It's like a war and peace couple.
You are allowed to make one personal joke, Adam.
Yeah, don't
That was very
attack
funny.
my wife, Shrija.
But to be
I have never been so scared in my life.
Hey, we are team divorce, bro.
Oh shit!
But Jose, why do you think divorce
I'm
is
so glad you asked me that. But look, I'm not saying.
I'm sorry to put you in
इनके
the
लिए
spot.
पानी लेके ओढ़ा बचा
I'm sorry to put you in the spot.
Is it Thanksgiving? हम लोग इंडिया में हैं,
Oh,
madam.
American joke. Turkey joke, turkey.
No, look. I'm not saying that marriage is like booking a cab. Okay? Let me finish.
No one was thinking that. No one was thinking that. But
I'm
now
not
they
saying
are.
that marriage is like booking a cab, but let's say you book a cab और वो नहीं आ रहा है. कैंसिल करना पड़ेगा ना. किसी को उसको कैंसिल करना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो आपको कैंसिल करना पड़ेगा.
I'm not sure. What is
ये
this?
जबरदस्ती नहीं है.
Yeah.
Is
You know,
this about
why you're
like-
forcing him to come here? Why you're forcing yourself to go there? Cancel it. Take
if-
another cab.
Fair enough. So if the driver and you have an agreement that you take me, I take.
And if he's being
I
good,
pay
he's
you
putting
money.
the AC on, and he's not like, अरे नहीं चल
लेकिन
रहा है
ऐसे
AC.
कभी कभी कैब वाला आता है और बोलता है आप कैंसिल कर दो और हम फिर भी साथ में जाते हैं
I'm sorry, this
तो ये सब तो गलत है ना
This
वो आप
analogy-
cancel
That's
कर
a
दो, आप
physical
पे
relationship,
cancel
man.
कर
I
दो।
can-
वो allowed नहीं है.
Oh wow.
Is
सब
there
नहीं
even an
करना
analogy
चाहिए
here,
ना।
or are we just talking about cabs? I'm not following anything. What are we?
I think it's a great analogy. Yeah.
Interesting,
Yeah.
guys.
So you're
OTP.
saying that you
I
should
see.
not book
Also,
outside the app.
of course,
Don't
Jose.
book outside the app. I'm saying.
Also, one second. So, Jose, you want a driver as a wife? What's happening? What is-
I want
you
the correct
see-
OTP to be put inside the app.
One time
What
partner.
is happening?
What is
One time partner is what he's
OTP
saying.
match होना चाहिए भाई.
Okay,
match
okay,
होना
okay.
चाहिए.
But what are the chances of that happening? You know, it's very mathematically very difficult.
Actually, each time you take a ride, that happens. The OTP matches with the driver.
Yeah, but then you take another ride, bro. You keep taking another one, right? After the OTP matches, you get off the
for
cab.
the people who are lost?
Yeah, all of us. Kenny, what's happening?
For the people that are lost, when they're using the app, they are consensually doing stuff in marriage, and when they're not using the app, they're hooking up. So when
Okay.
he's saying
अच्छा वो
different,
मतलब था
Okay.
क्या?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm just trying to confuse people more.
Wow.
when he's saying different cabs, he's saying different partners.
Correct.
Okay, okay.
Got it.
I
Let
now
me-
regret
Yeah.
bringing this.
Let me
Sorry.
continue. Yes.
It was a good analogy.
Can
Can
you
I-
edit it out?
Can
I
I?
think Saurabh wants to say something.
Oh,
we
Saurabh,
need to
yes.
make
No,
space
that's-
for him to talk. Like you should make space in marriage for your partner
Wow.
to talk
Wow.
and work
Well
it out.
So sweet.
Now I'm under pressure. But just continuing with Jose's
Yes,
fantastic
yes.
cab analogy, which clearly the audience is enjoying.
मुझे credit नहीं चाहिए.
No, it's
नहीं चाहिए
Jose's
credit.
idea, which I am, because I am pro, like, we should try to give it a shot,
Give
you
it
know.
a
So
credit
I will
नहीं
just,
चाहिए.
my entire thing is, see, you booked a cab.
Yeah.
Okay, say there's concert, lot of people, okay. Getting a cab, very difficult. But you've gotten a cab. Others are still waiting for a cab. Why are you cancelling and being greedy? My entire point is, there's so
Be
many unmarried
grateful.
people.
Be grateful.
India has so many people now. Fucking, you'll get divorced. And this, look at this guy, 3-time divorcee. What a piece of shit. Look at.
When
What
did
about?
this 3-time divorcee joke
Yeah,
start?
I just keep meeting someone new, and I'm like, Ola. Brand, you can get Ola brand work for this, which nobody wants at this time, but still.
This
This
section
is
brought
Shamik
to you
is
by
cute.
Ola.
That's why he got this laugh. Okay, it's a very cute joke he made. Okay.
Is it cute? Okay,
Yeah.
I'll take it, man.
Yeah, Shamik, you want cute point you get.
Yeah, we put a heart on the point.
Yes.
Thank you. So we know.
I put a heart point.
I love it, love it.
No, but I think the point is not. I think we become a little conservative. I think the point is not that you should not take Uber without the app.
I wanna confuse these people more. Let's bring another analogy.
Yeah.
I don't think marriage is like refueling the International Space Center,
Okay.
but
But
exactly that's my point. It's not like that.
Beginning
Sort of
to
do
understand-
something with that.
No, I'm beginning to understand why you're not married.
So he says like he's been in a 40-year
I'm 4-time
marriage.
divorcee.
Oh, okay.
okay, just fact checking. The Shrija is married. Jose, I'm married. Shamik has never been divorced, and neither has.
I've never
Saurabh.
been married.
Because I feel like we're giving too much confidence to audience. They're taking everything literally.
If
Okay,
this is
okay.
not red
So the-
card worthy, then what is? ये false information फैला रहा है इधर.
No,
वो लोग बिलीव कर रहे हैं ना उसको अभी.
No, I feel-
Seriously ले रहे हैं. वो
I
लोग
will-
सोच रहे हैं एक्सपीरियंस से कुछ अच्छी बात बोल रहा होगा. बट ये तो झूठा निकला.
the judge has noted this point.
Yeah, no.
But I feel too early in the game to give
Yeah.
red card.
Okay.
Yeah, but
Too early.
let's, if it's possible for the panelists, if can we not talk in parcel tongue
Yeah.
Parcel tongue.
and just directly talk about some points about why a divorce is okay and divorce is never okay.
Sure.
Okay.
Marriage
So-
is like a table. Oh, sorry. Yes.
1 point for us.
It has to be balanced on both sides.
This is genius.
So marriage जो है क्या हुआ है? What is a marriage? Marriage दो दिलों का मिलन है. दो आत्माओं की
Wow.
Wow.
की कहानी है.
Wow.
और मैरिज छोड़नी नहीं चाहिए.
Wow.
नहीं चाहिए
Beautiful
marriage.
point. Let's
Yeah.
applaud that.
Let's groove,
I think
baby.
I'm convinced. Wow.
क्योंकि
I'm
अगर
convinced.
I am touched.
Okay.
मतलब
I am
आपने जब
convinced, यार.
मैरिज लिया है, मैरिज की है.
Marriage लिया है कि किया है?
Marriage
Please decide. Are we taking? Is it takeaway or delivery? What is it?
मैरिज जब की है आपने तो आपने एक कमिटमेंट किया है, कमिटमेंट किया है, हमने सब ने एक कमिटमेंट किया है, मतलब ये बंदा मुझे पसंद है, राइट? सो मतलब अब डिवोर्स का मतलब क्या हो गया? दैट वी आर बाउइंग डाउन टू सोसाइटी एंड वी शुड, यस, डिवोर्स मीन्स बाउइंग डाउन टू सोसाइटी, बिकॉज सोसाइटी यही करती है। आप जैसे ही मैरिज करोगे ना, ऐसी ही आवाजें आ जाएंगी बीच में, क्या मैरिज गई तू तो भाई, मैरिज में तो भाई एकदम खत्म।
This crowd thinks you're such a lame-o right now.
नहीं मैरिज, बट just sticking around with your marriage.
Divorce, society wants divorce since
ये
when?
हमेशा ऐसे ही होता है, पता है? मैं हमेशा सच का साथ देती हूँ और मैं भलाई का साथ देती हूँ, बट एक ये शैतानी उधर मच जाती है और आप लोग उसकी साइड हो जाते हो, मुझे मालूम है। देखना, ये हमेशा नेगेटिव इन्फ्लुएंस ही करेगा आपको।
Sometimes marriage is not determined by the couple.
Oh, okay.
Which country are you from? Sometimes it's a meeting of 4 hearts, but not the 2 you expect. The 2 you expect are not involved only.
तो वैसी शादी
In fact,
होनी ही
their hearts
चाहिए।
are broken. And sometimes it works out. I'm not saying sometimes it can work out.
See,
I'll be reasonable.
I just
But
want to
often
say,
it doesn't.
I just want to say, Shamik,
In
okay.
that case,
Hey, you.
As usual,
As
see Shamik
usual.
bringing negativity to the
Negative.
show, okay?
Yes.
Guys, relax. I
Negativity.
know you're- yes, just see. I
Being
want to
free
say,
of a horrible partner is negative.
Oh, so
no. I'm saying all
Then
your
in
angles
that
are all about
case-
why can't you believe in love? I'm saying if you gotten
Yes.
married to a person, you actually did, fall in love with that person. It's like, Shija, I'm in your team. I can talk. Just
They're falling apart.
unbelievable, bhai. Ek second.
I think this team is going to divorce right now.
No, I will not give up on Shija.
Yes, take it out.
Not give up on
Just
Shija.
take it out, yaar.
Never.
We're together.
We're
And
together.
yes.
Next round, I will switch teams. But it's nothing personal, just professional.
We talked it out.
Yeah.
And I get his
I
point
get
out.
it. See,
Yes,
I'll tell you.
Saurabh, please talk.
Kenny, I'll just tell you quickly because I'll be interrupted by, both these team members.
I'm like a child in a divorce.
Yes. Yes.
I'm just witnessing
Sure.
my family
Yeah.
fighting.
But child with a lot of power.
Yes. Yes.
I was just saying, see, like, look at these two, okay? When this show started, anyone would have thought these two won't work out. This show won't work out because of these two. But you kept trying. And now look at it. So many people feel. So marriage can also be like that.
Marriage
Wow.
And I know.
What a beautiful
That's what
point.
I'm saying. All
What
of
a
you
beautiful
wouldn't have been
point.
laughing tonight if Kenny had given up on these two, So I'm just saying.
I can't believe
never
you
give
are
up.
agreeing on that, Shrija. You agreed on that.
Of course.
Show has worked
Show
out.
has
Why
worked
would I
out.
not agree on
But
that?
he has thrown us under the bus in that argument.
Not under the
Guys,
under the
I feel
tempo.
It is constructive criticism.
No,
and
I-
appreciation.
I love it.
Both.
Strong
Please
points.
stop this. I feel like it's the same. You guys are married.
Great points. I like Srija's point, which is that society wants to see things break.
Yes.
But you hold on to it.
Yes.
I also like Shamik's point of if it's bad, why are you
Oh my God.
with a horrible
What a
person?
classic
I
divorce
have,
child
I have
you're
another
talking
point. Can I?
May I,
just-
also make another point?
Yeah, after my point, can she make?
I feel.
1 second.
Can Jose and I say quiet? Okay.
One point.
I feel, Shamik, I feel you've said a lot of points. You have the advantage of speed. You need to remember that.
Yes.
Shija is a little speed disabled.
Yes.
Okay. We need to be
Give me
cognizant.
time, yaar.
We have to be cognizant
Yes.
of.
Yes.
Yeah,
Please
but
go
then
ahead.
more
Thank you.
time is used up when you and
Shamik,
it
please.
convinces
You did
people.
that Aman joke also, which is a personal
Yeah.
attack.
Personal
okay?
attack.
Yeah, I'll be
And
more
it's unfair
personal.
because
Where's
she
my
has no one
camera?
to joke about for you. Okay,
Yes,
so that's
exactly.
unfair. That's very unfair.
What?
It's very unfair for her, no? Because she has no one to joke about
About
for
like
her.
this.
So this is the sacrifice I've made in life to win this argument. That's the long game, bro.
Wow.
Long game. Many people I almost married. I'm like, but I'll lose the
Oh, yes.
argument on simple can. That point is more important to me
Shamik,
than a
Shamik, you got the point.
fulfilling relationship.
Shamik has made 7 points while she's just still trying.
Thank you so much. I still miss you. But I stand by my decision.
Yeah.
This is what a marriage looks like. Waiting for the other person to complete what they say. Even if they endlessly they talk over you and all of that. They say, you have to wait because then you will make a point and they will listen. So shut up and listen. The bloody shut up and
Can we have a
listen.
round of applause for the frustration Jose had mentioned?
देखिए मैं बस ये कह रही हूँ कि जिन मैरिजेस के ब्रेकअप के बारे में वो लोग बात कर रहे हैं उन जिन मैरिजेस के
जिन
डिवोर्स
कौन है?
राकेश जिंजन वाला.
जो भी
Sorry.
जो भी
When you rub a lamp and 2 genies come out, it's like,
Someone's gonna make a ginger. Oh my god.
Jinjin? 6 wishes?
This is red card. बस साले चुप.
I see you all are leaning towards divorce now.
No, Aman is not like this. मैं बस ये कह रही हूँ कि जो भी मैरिजेस के डिवोर्स के बारे में वो बात कर रहा है वो मैरिजेस ही नहीं होनी चाहिए थी. उन केसेस में मैरिज ओनली इज नॉट ओके, बट वंस मैरिज इज डन देन डिवोर्स इज नॉट ओके.
What a great. On that point, let's close this topic. Big round of applause.
I guess
for both
team.
What a beautiful.
Kenny, let's move to the cage fight round.
Wow. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, voting is voting round. When you guys vote for a team to win, they win an additional point. Both the team members. So let's have a round of applause if team divorce is okay one. Big round of applause. Okay. Pretty loud.
See you guys at the family court.
देखिए आपने अभी वो कर लिया है.
Wait.
आपने
You're voting also, sir. You want to say something, Shreya?
I just want to say आपने उनके लिए वो कर दिया है ये. इसमें उनको बहुत खुशी मिलेगी, बट आप आज बहुत दुखी सोएंगे. क्योंकि as usual आपको एकदम
If she talks
बर्बादी
before
के
her
ओर.
rating, it changes the.
No, but I'll give one
perception.
cute point.
अरे
Cute point मिल गया मेरे को भाई.
The dard in the last.
हद है भाई.
Wow.
Okay. Round of applause if you think a team divorce is not okay one. Okay.
Thank
So
you,
team divorce
Javed
is
Saab
okay.
and Believers in Love.
Thank you so much. You get points, right?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you so much, yeah.
Done.